Before you spend your hard-earned money on any portable building, there's a few things that people don't know, and it can actually save you a lot of headache down the road. And if you miss even one of these, it could cost you more down the road, or worse, leave you with a building that doesn't work for you. Whether you're buying a shed, workshop, home office, or backyard getaway, this video is going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Plus, we here at Stor-Mor have streamlined the process to be as stress-free as possible. And you're going to want to stick with me until the end because the fourth one is the one that everybody misses, and it'll be the one that costs you the most. When most people buy a portable building, they spend a lot of their time picking the style, color, and size. And that's the fun part, especially when choosing your own custom portable building. But here's the thing, the foundation is what keeps your building stable, safe, and long-lasting. The first step is leveling your site. A building placed on uneven ground can cause doors to jam, frames to warp, or walls to bend. There are several foundation options based on the building size and your property. Compacted gravel is a popular choice because it's a good middle-of-the-road option that looks great and provides sturdy ground for your building, while being relatively inexpensive. Concrete pads are the most durable option and is what we recommend overall, ideal for larger buildings or ones you plan to keep long-term. For a more economical approach, cinder blocks can be used to place the building on as long as the height of the blocks is less than 24 inches. Our delivery drivers will place the blocks where they need to go to make a level foundation for your building. All you have to do is have the blocks on hand. Ultimately, investing a little more time and money into your foundation up front will save you headaches, repairs, and replacement costs down the road. A well-prepared foundation not only ensures your building stays level and sturdy, but also protects your investment for years to come. Don't make the mistake of thinking the foundation doesn't matter. It's the single most critical part in the building buying process. Choosing the right size for your portable building isn't just about how much stuff you plan to put in it. It's about how you plan to use the space. Many people make the mistake of buying a smaller building to save money, only to realize months later that they need more space. Start by thinking about your current needs, but also consider future growth. Are you planning to use it for storage now but might convert it into a workshop or home office later? If so, it's better to buy slightly larger from the start. Also, don't just look at square footage. Layout and height play a huge role. A loft is one of our add-ons that gives you more space by having storage overhead. Next, consider accessibility. How will you move items in and out? Wide double doors or our roll-up doors can make it much easier to get equipment, furniture, or even lawn vehicles in and out without damage. Small doors may save money up front, but they can create constant frustration in the long term. Another consideration is workflow inside the building. If it's a workshop, you'll want open space to work without constantly bumping into things. If it's storage, think about shelving placement, how you'll reach higher items, and whether you might need multiple access points depending upon the placement of the building on your property. Ultimately, the right size building is all about making the space functional for your lifestyle. Taking the time to carefully evaluate your current and future use ensures your building will meet your needs for years to come. Many people assume delivery day is as simple as a truck showing up and dropping off their building. While we work hard to make this a smooth process from beginning to end, building delivery requires careful planning to avoid surprises. Your property, access points, and ground conditions all play a role in how easily a building can be placed. Start by evaluating your site. Are there trees, fences, power lines, or other obstacles that could block delivery? Even a small slope or overhanging trees can create challenges. We use a specialized piece of machinery called a mule to set the building exactly where you want it with minimal damage to your yard. But we do need adequate space and clearance to work safely. It's also important to be aware of weather. Rain, snow, or extreme temperatures can delay delivery. You'll want to ensure that the ground is stable enough to support the building during placement. Temporary obstacles like parked vehicles, garden equipment, or furniture should be moved to avoid delays. Communication with your driver is critical also. Our drivers will walk you through what's needed for a smooth delivery, including measuring access, confirming placement, any blocks needed, and sometimes even marking where the building should sit if needed. Being present on delivery day is crucial as it ensures the building goes exactly where you want, allows you to answer any questions the delivery driver might have, and you'll need to sign off that the delivery was complete with everything in working order. Planning a delivery carefully not only reduces stress but also protects your investment. A building placed incorrectly can cause long-term issues like uneven doors, foundation stress, or even structural damage. Proper preparation ensures a smooth setup and gives you confidence that your building is ready to use immediately. When buying a portable building, the price you see should be the price you understand. No surprises, no hidden fees. That's why we prioritize complete transparency from the very beginning. Every option, upgrade, and cost is clearly explained up front, so you can make confident decisions without second-guessing your investment. If you ever have questions, we encourage you to ask. We're always happy to walk through the details to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. We also offer free delivery within 50 miles of a dealership, making it easier to get exactly what you need at a price you can trust. Upgrades include our newest interior option, Smart Space, along with spray foam insulation, electrical packages, ramps, and shelving. Each one adds convenience and functionality, but it's important to weigh the cost against how much you'll actually use it. Our dealers will clearly list all additional options and provide pricing before you make any final decisions. Payment options also matter. We offer rent-to-own plans, which allow you to spread payments over time rather than paying in full up front. In 90 days, same as cash, as well as the option to buy it outright. And don't forget warranties. Always ask about coverage length, what's included, and what would void that warranty. Understanding this protects you from unexpected repair costs and ensures the dealer stands behind the product. There are also individual warranties for things like the paint we use, the siding we use, and our craftsmanship warranty. By taking the time to understand all costs, financing, and warranty options, you're not just buying a building. You're making a smart investment. Our dealers will help you make informed decisions so that your building meets your needs without surprises. At Stor-Mor, we've streamlined the process to be ultra smooth to avoid as many problems as possible. All of our dealers are trained to show you the right building for your specific needs and to make the entire process a breeze from shopping around to final delivery.